How to transfer chats from iPhone to Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer chats from iPhone to Android. Now, if you want to transfer chat from iPhone to Android, now unfortunately I don't have an iPhone device here currently on this recording, but I'll just be guiding you through. You can simply open up WhatsApp on your iPhone, right? And then you want to head into the settings on your WhatsApp and then head into chats option. Under chats, you want to scroll down and you'll find the option that is chat backup. Simply tap on chat backup and then tap on backup. Once you do so, every chat that you have will be backed up. You want to tap on backup and you want to make sure that you include the videos here. Simply make sure that you include videos. So if you are on cellular data, you can enable cellular as well. And then once you back it up, what you can do now is all your chat is backed up. So you can simply head into your Android device and then log into your account there, and it'll ask you to recover the previous chats. You can simply tap on recover and all your chats will be recovered there. So this way you can transfer chats from iPhone to Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.